Hello YouTube, Kat here, and welcome to my channel. For our first makeup tutorial, I'll be doing a smoky eye. A perfect look for a night out, an important meeting, or just whenever you want to feel sophisticated and sexy. It's especially great when you want to put on that amazing evening dress, but you want to keep the boys' eyes on yours. So, guess who has volunteered to be our special guest today? My boy!
Hi, I'm Jonas. I've never had makeup done in my life, and I'm not even sure why I'm here.
Well, you're here because it'll be fun for me and educational for everybody else.
And for me?
Because you'll love it. For our makeup look tutorial, these are all the tools you'll need. Let's begin with our makeup look today. First, we'll be starting off with NARS eyeshadow base. It's my favorite one because it's smudge proof. We'll be applying it all over the eyelid. It's cool. And dabbing it with our fourth finger because it's the most gentle one. Next, we'll be using the Nude Matte Finish Cream Shadow by Clarins. And we'll be using our fourth finger, just dabbing enough. And dabbing it slowly all over the eyelid. This sets the perfect foundation for the color to set and pop. Next, we'll be using the All Shader brush with Urban Decay's Naked Reloaded palette. This is my favorite palette because it has all the colors to the shimmers to the mattes that you need for a perfect look. We will be using Bribe, I'm brushing this all over the lid and all the way up to the brow bone. I can't. Can I cut it?
No, you can't. Oh.
I'm just laughing because it looks so white on you. Can I cut it?
One eternity later.
Look at yourself.
I don't even want to. Do you have a mirror, by the way? I want to look at this afterwards. You want to give me the first impression thing.
Just for your information, usually when Jonas has foundation on, the skin color is less obvious.
I never have foundation.
Next, we're going to be using the shader brush with Boundaries and applying this all over his eyelid, all the way to his brow bone. You want to make sure that this is evenly spread all over, all the way to the brow bone. Slowly blending it evenly. Next, we're going to be using the shader brush with Bucked, which is a light brown. And you want to apply this below the crease line, like so. Then with the shader brush, with Endgame, we're going to be applying this on the lower lash line all the way to the end of the edge of the eye. Slowly, you're going to notice I'm going over the crease on the model who has a double eyelid in order for him to get the perfect look.
I would accept nothing but the perfect look.
We'll see about that. You might want to create a small triangle and slowly blend it over the crease. Next, I'll be using an angled brush with Bobbi Brown's Black Ink. It's my favorite eyeliner because it's the most long-lasting one I've tried. You want to dab just enough it covers the brush. And I'll be tight lining. Tight lining is when you apply ink on the inner line of the eye. I'm going to slowly be doing so by dabbing it. Yo, stop doing that.
Oh, no.
It's smudged. Now you're going to get a panda eye. Next, I'll be applying L'Oreal Paris's eyeliner. I'm going to start on the inner corners of the eye. And all the way to the end of the eye. How do I not laugh? And we'll start by applying this in the inner corners of the eye. All the way to the outer edge.
Ooh, that's cold.
Yeah, that's what it should feel like. And if you'd like, you can get a winged line. And it's smudging. Because you just moved. Next, I'll be using the angled brush. I'm blending out the eyeliner, starting from the inner corners, all the way to the outer edges of the eye.
Man, this is a lot of step for an eye.
Yeah. It's,
You have to do this every time?
yeah. Just got it. Oh, you actually have a black eye. Sorry.
Oh boy.
I'll get it with a tissue. Here, 1 second. Open your eyes. Whoa, you got a black eye. Look. Oh, even under too. That's lovely. Open your eyes. You actually have a black eye now.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Next, I'll be using the tapered crease brush with Dreamwearer. And I'll be gently applying this on the outer edge of the eye, dabbing at the corner and blending it slowly into the middle. This creates a gradual gradient and the perfect contrast of a smoky eye. Next, I'll be using a fine tip brush with Bribe, applying this on the inner corners of his eye. Then I will be putting Bribe, gently patting this on the middle of the eyelid. And Angel Fire, the perfect shimmer that will give that perfect glow. Now, if you could just look down, I will be curling his eyelashes.
What are you doing to me?
It's a surgical tool. Now I'll be applying glue on the eyelash.
Glue? What?
Yeah, it's liquid school glue, the ones you do for arts and crafts. So it gets that extra strong stick,
Gotcha!
Here we go. You can look down. Look down on the floor. Thinking too much.
Can I close my eyes?
Yeah, just close your eyes. It's fine. It might, Okay, now you can open your eyes gently, if you can even open them.
I don't know. You try to glue my eyes shut.
Did I glue your eyes shut? Open your eyes. Let's see. Voila!
Is that done?
Yeah, it's finished. So this is what it looks like on Jonah.
Jonas.
Jonas.
Doesn't even hurt.
Oh, I took.
Why am I here?
I totally forgot. I mean,
Oh.
Jonas, our model.
Do you have a mirror? I wanna look at what I look like.
Here.
Oh, you good. She's running away from me.
Oh, you actually look hideous.
Wow. Wow. That's not that.
Choose your next words carefully.
You like it? I think it looks lovely.
It's not the worst thing in the world.
Alright, so if you guys want to see what it looks like on me, this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see my tutorials,
And for me to be covered in makeup again,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
later.